Hello viewers and welcome to TWIT videos or tutorial. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon down below so that you'll be notified anytime we upload videos to this channel. This is lesson 2 of our introduction to ICT crash course, and in this video we are going to look at in details data and information. And if you remember, in the previous video, we talked about data and information, and if you have not watched that video yet, you have to look in the description below. I have a link leading to that video. And I want to say that this video is a playlist, so if you want to watch the whole video, wait till the end of this video and you see that on the screen. There will be the playlist where you can click on and watch the whole video. As I said, in today's lesson, we are going to look into detail the meaning of data and information, data versus information. And without wasting much time, let's look at what is data. When we talk of data, data is a Latin word, datum, which means something given. And when we talk of data, data can simply be explained to be raw or unorganized facts and figures that are meaningless until processed and turned into something meaningful. Data comes in so many forms, but the common ones are letters, numbers, words, symbols, images, sound, etc. The measuring units of data are bits, nibbles, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, etc. Let's look at information. When we talk of information is a French verb informare, which means to inform, and information can be defined as a processed data which is accurate, systematic, understandable, and timely. One can also say that information is a processed data which conveys meaning and useful to the user. But let's stick to this definition. When we say information is a processed data which is accurate, systematic, understandable, and timely. When we say it is accurate, it is complete. And when we say it is understandable, it means it is meaningful. And when we say it is timely, what we are talking about is that information is supposed to be delivered on time. If we waste so many time on information, it will become outmoded. So information should be delivered on time. Information is equal to data plus meaning. What this simply means is that information is the resource that we get from a processed data. And when we process data, data is meaningless. But when we process it, it becomes meaningful. So data plus meaning is equal to information. Let's take a real life example. We see these figures on the screen with a currency sign. We have $350 and $120. Now the question is, what is this for? You see that this is money, but what is it for? $350, what is it for? Is it to pay a rent or to pay electricity bill, or is it a loan? We don't know. These give us so many meaning, and we can talk so many things about it. But we can also say that this is the salary of workers. And what are these workers? So we can say that in a month, Michael Jackson received $350. Now you see that this is giving us an accurate information, and this information is understandable. This information is processed because we are understanding that Michael Jackson received $350, which is meaningful. We can also say that Boatin Emmanuel received $120 a month, and you can see that this information too is accurate and understandable and timely, because we are saying that they receive the salary in a month. But if you look at the first figures, it was meaningless, it was unprocessed, it was raw material, because we don't know what these currency and figures represent, or we don't know what this money represent. But here we can say that this money represent the salary of workers. Now let's look at the difference between data and information. Data is raw material, but information is a processed material. Data is meaningless or data has no meaning, but information is meaningful. Data cannot be used for decision making, but information is accurate and can therefore be used for decision making. Data cannot be used as information, but information can be used as data. Thanks for watching this video, and in the upcoming video we are going to look at how we can process data into information, which is information processing cycle. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share to others. You can write your comment down below, anything about this video, and your comments are always welcome. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and bye for now.